I'm Chris Fox, and this is Making Chips. So I want to talk about logistics. Now, typically when you're talking about manufacturing and logistics, you're talking about supply chains. You're talking about like the stuff that you see behind me. It's an important aspect of any manufacturing business. It's an important aspect of how these businesses run. You need to know time to market, you need to know how long products are going to take to develop, where your products are coming from, and everything else involved. What I really want to touch on is more about the importance of personal logistics in the world of manufacturing. Now, a big part of normal sales relationships are based on in-person, the shaking of hands, and this is why shows like IMTS and other shows exist. Those shows exist to give people the opportunity to shake hands for, establishing sales and whatnot. But what I'm talking more about is experience. To understand and know what manufacturing is all about, you need to experience it, you need to see it, you need to witness it. And if you don't witness it, you're not going to know and understand what it's all about. So the best way to understand and know new technology and understand how it works is to get that hands-on experience and go visit a facility. And that's the best thing I can recommend. So we're talking about logistics in manufacturing. Yes, supply chain is a huge part of it. But the other big part of it comes down to personal logistics, being there and experiencing and understanding what it's all about. And that goes for any part of the technology, whether you're talking about a specific machine tool, you're talking about an ERP system, or you're talking about marketing software. It all needs to be connected. You need to experience it all before you can make decisions. So this touches on, well, a not so new manufacturing term from the Japanese called Genchi Genbutsu, which is going to the source. And basically what it is see it for yourself. It's important to understand and know things. You want to know what 3D printing is capable of, you need to go up and touch it. If you want to know what a machine tool is capable of, you need to run it. Numbers and statistics and all these sellable details are great, but understanding how something actually works is the best way to know if it's the right tool for you. So that's it. If you like what you've seen, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up because, well, there's plenty more chips to come. And if you're not making chips, you're not making money.